Alright, what's up everyone? If you have a domain registered with GoDaddy and want to connect it to your Webflow site, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. First, publish your Webflow site to a custom domain. In Webflow Designer, click on Publish and select Add a Custom Domain. Enter your GoDaddy domain name. Webflow will provide you with DNS records, usually 2 A records and a CNAME record. Now log into your GoDaddy account, go to My Products and find your domain. Click on DNS to manage your DNS settings. And here we're going to add or edit the A records. For hosts, we use the @ symbol, and that will point to the IP addresses provided by Webflow. Next, we're going to add or edit the CNAME record. The host is www, and that will point to a proxy SSL webflow.com. Save your changes. Back in Webflow, click on Check Status to verify the connection. Once verified, set your default domain in Webflow. It might take a few minutes for DNS changes to propagate. And that's it. Your Webflow site is now connected to your GoDaddy domain. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll catch you later.